Welcome! In this channel, we explain automotive terms. Privacy glass is the term for car windows that have been tinted during the manufacturing process or later using an aftermarket product to reduce the amount of light that can pass through it. This makes it more difficult for anyone outside to peer in and provides an increased ambience within the cabin of the car. Car privacy glass is usually applied to the rear windows. Different types of tinted windows include factory-tinted glass. It contains dyes and pigments that are mixed into the glass itself during manufacturing. Aftermarket window tint. It is a film applied to the window. Privacy glass on cars has various benefits. It can block out some sunlight and provide shade. People inside the car will have privacy. It also gives a sense of security. You will feel more secure about leaving things in the back seat knowing that people from outside cannot see them. There are some disadvantages of privacy glass as well. There can be extra costs involved when ordering tinted windows. Some people may also feel that they can't see out of tinted windows as well, and this reduced visibility can cause issues when parking, especially at night. Aftermarket window tinting may not age well either, because the film can fade, peel, or bubble, especially if it is not applied correctly. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code eraser by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.